So, si Liza Soberano yung model nito, guys. Hi guys! It's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, wala akong kakilay-kilay today. I haven't filled in my eyebrows yet because today we are going to do our eyebrows on cam using this eyebrow pencil. So this one is the Maybelline New Fashion Brow 2-in-1 pencil. I got the shade dark brown, guys. This retails for 149 pesos. Ito na ata yung pinakamurang eyebrow pencil na nakita ko sa parang local luxury drugstore natin. Kasi yung Maybelline medyo mahal yun, diba? Yung Maybelline, L'Oreal, it's locally available, pero yung L'Oreal at Maybelline parang mas mahal siya compared to our local brands talaga like Everbelena. So, I call them local luxury drugstore brands. Ganun. Claim ng eyebrow pencil nito that this will last 12 hours. Ang claim nito is easy, no mistake, natural brows. So, I hope we can achieve natural brows today. Kasi as you can see, I have thick brows. Natural na talaga sa akin yung sobrang kapal na kilay. So, I hope I can still achieve natural brows. We are going to use yung simple steps dito na how to use. Kasi ganito din naman ako magkilay if I use a pencil. Sige, let's open this one. And when you open it, yung brow pencil mismo is sealed with a plastic pa siya. Ay, hala! Guys, naputol siya. Tingnan nyo. Nakasealed pa yan ng plastic, guys, ha? Pero putol siya. Sige na lang. At least yung sa spoolie na part yung naputol, no? Hindi yung sa pencil na part. Tapos, ayan yung pencil niya. Hindi siya retractable. So, yung bang sinasharpen mo, mas gusto ko sana yung retractable. So, you wouldn't need a sharpener. But, that's fine. Try nga natin gamitin yung spoolie. So, ayan, nakuha ko na yung spoolie. Try nga natin kung malambot ba yung spoolie, guys. Hindi malambot yung spoolie. Hindi din sobrang tigas. Sakto lang siya, guys. So, whenever I do my eyebrows, I always brush them into place. Because I have thick and long brow hair. So, I always brush them into place. Ayan, dito din. Okay, so the spoolie is okay. Now, let's go to the pencil. I got dark brown, guys, ha? Tingnan natin yung dark brown. Medyo matigas siya, which is okay for me. Ayoko naman yung super duper creamy na pencil. Tama lang yung pagka-creamy ng pencil, guys. So, let's start. Zoom in ko muna kayo. I always start dito, pero kadalasan talaga dito nag-uumpisa sa tail part. Yung akin lang kasi, nasanay na ako na palaging nag-uumpisa dito sa front part. Pero sige, try natin mag-umpisa dito sa tail part. So, outline your brows first. So, in-outline ko muna yung taas. Bagay na bagay yung dark brown sa akin, guys. Tingnan nyo. And then, dito naman sa baba. So, make sure na you start outlining dito. Diba may manipis na part pa dyan. Yung hindi pa super, black. So, hindi ako mag-uumpisa dyan. Dito ako mag-uumpisa kung saan may maitim na talaga na part. So, let's outline. It's quite pigmented, guys. Okay, I'm very light-handed. Kita nyo ba, guys? This is my outline brows. Ito, wala pa. So, let's start filling in the sparse area. So, unahin natin dito sa body ng eyebrows hanggang tail. Dapat mas darker yung part yung sa tail. So, dapat ganito yun, guys. Lightest, tapos medyo dark na ng konti, tapos darkest na talaga yung sa tail part. Tapos, don't worry if you can make a mistake. You can use the brow spoolie to erase your mistake. Tapos, dito na sa front part, parang pinaslanted na. Pataas na yung stroke. So, let's blend it out using the spoolie. Unahin natin dito sa front. So, blend talaga natin yung inner brows natin. Kasi, we don't want square brows, guys, diba? Hindi dapat pantay yung inner brows hanggang dito sa tail part na pareho sila na super dark. Hindi ganun. Dapat light, tapos medyo dark na, tapos darkest talaga dapat yung tail. So, yun yung ilagay nyo sa isipan nyo, guys. So, ayan. I'm done with my one brow. So, nakita nyo ba, guys? Medyo natural naman tingnan. Hindi siya yung super duper na filled in na brows na talagang parang wala na siyang buhok. May buhok pa naman siya kahit papano, guys. Diba? Tingnan nyo. Parang makikita mo pa rin yung buhok, which is natural. Now naman, let's proceed to our other brow. So, I'm going to repeat the steps. Outline my brows first. Fill in the sparse areas. mas darkest yung tail part, tapos dark na dito sa middle part, tapos light na yung sa inner brows. And then, you can blend it using the spoolie to really spread the product. So, ganun lang yung gagawin ko, guys, ha? So, brush our brow hairs into place muna. Okay, so ayan na guys. Tapos na ako sa dalawang kilay ko. You can leave it this way, pero ako kasi, I love setting my brows with a brow gel kasi lumilipad yung brows ko lagi, guys. Kasi nga, I have long brow hairs, especially sa tail part. So, I'm gonna set it with a brow gel muna and then I will be back for my final thoughts. So, that is how you achieve your brows in 3 simple steps. If you have long brow hairs, gawin nyo na lang yung step na pinakauna kong ginawa na brushing your brow hairs into place, guys. So, for my final verdict, I think I love this brow pencil, guys. It's pigmented naman. It does the job. It's not too creamy na madaling maputol yung brow pencil. It has the right creaminess. Tapos, it's pigmented. So, you have to be light-handed then when filling in your brows. Yun nga lang, medyo na-disappoint lang ako kasi putol siya. Pero, the spoolie is nice, guys. It did the job. Maganda siya pang blend ng eyebrows, pang spread ng brow product sa buong kilay mo. Maganda din siya pang delete o pang erase ng mga mistakes. So, yun yung kadalasang function ng brow spoolie. Yun nga lang putol siya, which is so bad. Ang con lang ng brow pencil na ito is I don't like a brow pencil na kailangan mo pang i-sharpen. Mas gusto ko sana yung retractable para you don't need a sharpener to do that. Pero sige na lang. I think this brow pencil is designed to be like this para hindi siya madaling maputol. Ganun, guys. So, I actually love this brow pencil, guys, for the price 149 pesos and it's Maybelline, guys, ha. This is a Maybelline brow product and maganda na siya, guys, tapos mura na siya for a Maybelline brow product. So, yeah, I think I like it. So, that's it, guys, for today's review and for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. God bless everyone. Mwah!